Have a little hack for anybody who uses silk flowers or faux flowers in your arrangements. We have a lot of sun. It hits our doors, so anything I use out there gets really sun bleached and damaged. And I found a hack where you can use any old permanent marker or a new one. Doesn't have to be old, but I use my old ones when they've gotten dried out. And you take the inside part, the felt part, out, and you pull it out with a pair of pliers. Don't get it all over your hands or you get stained. And then you drop those down into some 91% alcohol, shake it up, and you'll get some really pretty colors for alcohol ink, and it's pretty inexpensive. For this, I made purple. And all I did is remove the inside of a permanent marker that was dried out, and dropped it in 91% alcohol, got a squirt bottle from Dollar Tree, and it had a package that some were screw-on tops and one spray bottle, so I had some additional spray tops, and so I used this one on that 2-ounce bottle. But all you do is mix it up, shake it, and then you squirt it. And if you want the center to be a different color later, you can use, like I do, I'll use acrylic paint to freshen up the center and make it yellow or whatever color you want. You can leave it like this, but they were yellow and I want them to be yellow again. So I'll just refresh it with a little acrylic paint, and it's so easy. And then you can use them again and again, because this just makes them look really pretty and freshened up. And if you wanted to have a little variation of color, you can use different colors together. But in my case, I just want them to be purple again.
One little word of caution: you want to protect your workspace. Cover it with some paper or plastic, or some protective gloves, disposable gloves, because this can stain your area, your hands. And if that happens, you can always use a little bit of 91% alcohol plain with a paper towel or a rag and remove the residue from your hands and some surfaces. You just have to be careful and use your imagination. You can use this on other projects, but enjoy and have fun and recreate. 91% isopropyl alcohol and a marker is all you need.